Viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We have reached to pause MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we still remain in pause MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are about to approach to pause MACD. As for support, that will be where you have the 9-day moving average, this blue line at a price of $1,743. And as for resistance, that will be where you have the 100-day moving average, this orange line, as that coincide with resistance in past back in February 24th, and that is around a price of $1,804. If it were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is roughly around, to say, 2.2%, and to test support, that is around 1.3%. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $152.38. My sell target for it is at $167.33. My stop loss is at $148.08. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.08, and my sell target is at $156.98. My stop loss is at $177.97. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 6.4%, and to the downside a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.4%, and a 6% chance to fall between negative 6.4 to negative 12.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.